Hello guys, welcome back to my channel of Helena Dominics and Maybe. Today I gonna do elevator del miedo. I don't know how to do it. I'm in Fear Elevator 2. They just make it French. I don't know. Spanish? I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. I want to get out, but I can't get out from the elevator. Let me out! Oh my gosh, no way. I have to do this. I have to do this without dying because I almost died. Oh my gosh, I almost died, bro. Oh my gosh, I almost died. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Oops. Whoa. He's really close to me, bro. Bro, please. Please don't kill me. Bye. Hey, God. That's almost close. So, what this coil do? Leave a comments down below if you know what this coil do. The purple one, of course, because I don't know why you ask. I have to speak to the creator of this. I don't know. Oh my gosh, Granny. This is gonna be the hard part because when I was playing this before I made this video, the Granny jump and it's killed me. So I don't know if I can do it. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. What the time it says. So long until I have to wait. Please don't let him in. Don't let her in. Please don't let her in. Please don't let her in. Okay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes! We got it, baby. So guys, I have to stand there because I'm playing red like we're in a Why do I hear Sonic song? I'm a little bit scared though. Please. Why? I know who is tapping right now. Bobby. Don't you dare snap me. Hey, I think I'm gonna die. Gravity coil saved my life. Get out from there, get out! Oh my gosh. That I am really lucky. I think I'm the luckiest girl. Andy! Oh my gosh, did somebody died? Okay, nobody died. I checked the fridge, nobody died, and I know who is it. I in a booty and I'm ready to move it. I don't know. I'm running, I'm zooming, guys. Oh my gosh, I don't know. My one of the worst nightmare ever! The straight thing to be a dog. I already saw that. Sorry, it's so dark. Sorry. Who's died? Who is died? Not me. Please. Who is actually died? Where's Annabelle? Please. I'm running, I'm running, I'm zooming, I'm zooming, I'm running, I'm running, I'm zooming, I'm zooming. So I'm lucky, so I doesn't need to go up there because when there's a emergency, I can go up whatever I want. Oh. Okay, we have to stand still right here. Oh, just what I thought. Okay, if you touch the dog, you can die. So you have to really close to the wall. Let me know. Who died? Did you just die? I'm a bunny. I'm literally a bunny. Because I love when I do this. Okay, stop. Wow. Not Bendy the rat. What? Not Bendy the. Please, Bendy can't go in here. No. Who else gonna watch? Okay, I'm gonna grab you. That noob just ran away. Just like, okay, bye. I'm leaving. Okay guys, did I survive or not? Okay, I literally already know that I survived because I'm still right in my spot. Oh, I like this one. I like this one. Guys, no time for stop. Oh my gosh, parkour. I hate it. I hate parkour. Hurry up, you guys. No time to play. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I'm scared if I'm not gonna make it. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Yes! Oh, I know what this thing do. It gives you more money. See? It's turned it up to more money. And I did it, boy, I did it. Gosh, I did it, boy. Yeah, boy.
I'll let you know before you try to go. Now this is my own show. Not a script or flip could make me stop, so just behave. I mean, there's no escape. Let's hope you make that drop. Because
This is almost like the scary elevator. More money, more money, more money. Don't you dare run into me. Goodbye. Goodbye, bitch. Oh my freaking gosh. No, don't judge me. Don't judge me, bro. Oh my freaking gosh. Oh my freaking gosh. What is this? He's serious. I'm being serious. Wait, what? I love this pumpkin. Can I eat one of them? Please, can I eat them? Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 I'm scared. Bro. Can I die? I can't die. I can't die. Run. The best way to do when there's a murderer, run. The thing to do when there's a murderer, better run. Drop it to me. What? Oh my gosh. I'm a freaking dog. Gosh. Wait. That face as the same as Draco from Blue. What happened to the face monster? I feel. Whoa! You have to dodge the fireballs. Because it's a demon. You have to go up here. Go there. Yes. You've got it. Okay, if the monster comes up here. Whoa. Careful. If somebody get hit, somebody literally get hit. If you get hit from the ball like that one, the health bar of you gonna going down. I already get that one and I already died, but this person doesn't die because it took a minute or a second. I don't know. If I get caught, I don't know. What is this? Oh my god! Oh my gosh! The better thing to do, run! No! Everybody's freaking gosh, so panic. Me too, I'm literally panic. Can I hit it? Can I hit it with the lamppost? No, I can't. Please don't make this start me. Oh my gosh, that was terrifying. There's nothing that I will die about. Oh my gosh. When I make a mistake, I can die actually. I already died like 50 days ago. I don't know. 1, 2, bruh, sucks. We have to run. Get out of his house. Go to the roof. That's the great way to escape some of the abandoned. Stop the. Now it's peace and quiet. Is it peace and quiet? Let me check the roof. Wow. Excuse me, boy, are you okay? I want to explore the house though. Oh my gosh, wow. Don't you dare. It's Freddy Fazbear Pizzeria 5 Nights of Freddy's. Okay, so nah. Okay, maybe I was wrong because this is. What did you order? I knew you shouldn't order that. I knew you shouldn't order that. It's not too easy though. You better run before you die. Who dead? Who just died? Who just died? Tell me it's Oh, I forgot I'm from Indonesia. I keep telling you because the people that is new Indonesia or the Paris or every Oh my god! You better run, we better run! But this is the hardest parkour I've ever seen in my life. It's right in my butt. Okay, maybe the music of the and maybe the music and the laughing is making me, it's freaking me out. Let's go explore, guys. We need to explore this place. We need to explore some of the things that we doesn't know because Siren Head is literally right there. Run, run, guys, run! Siren is not chasing us. He's literally chasing us right now in our butt. Do we have to save him or should we run faster? Go, don't you dare go there. You have no way to run, Siren Head. I wanna live, baby, I always live. And it's like a skinny head, mushrooms growing on my head. I wanna live. If you said I always live, reaching out for a dove, and it's like a skinny head, mushrooms growing on my head. I doesn't know about the lyric of that song, and I doesn't know that the sign of the song. I mean, okay. Gosh, he can kill us faster than what? Go! Don't just stand there. Maybe go over there. I see blood. All I see is blood. I'm really scared right now if there's a blood. Oh my gosh. What elevator now? 30, 20, I doesn't know. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. What's the floor? It's Sonic.exe. S. I didn't like it. Please. Okay. Don't join it, players. I'm gonna distract them. Oh my gosh, so many players just do that. That was so close until the Sonic that EXE spawned. Guys, don't run! What? I tried faster than I can, so I can't die. I love this song, by the way. I don't know. Woof, 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 woof. Oh my gosh. This is too easy. The sailing is the hardest part of the year. Oh, this is what I thought. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh. Woof, 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 woof. I don't know. How many minutes do we have? I think we're gonna stop until 23 seconds. And it's almost end from the video. Oh, the hero bride! Oh, so that's the hero bride. I still see some players in some. Oh my gosh. Not this one.
I'll let you know before you try to go. Now this is my own show. Not a script or flip could make me stop, so just behave. I mean there's no escape. Let's hope you make that jump. Because
Can we? So there's a girl who is crazy to killing people. I'm just gonna watch you guys die. Hey girl, can you please help me? Please, please, please. I almost dead, bro. I'm so desperate and I'm so upset and I'm really, really, really scared when I get killed. I get scared when I get killed, and I really get scared when there's monsters. Like zombies, skeletons, creeper. Actually, there's from Minecraft, but this is the real one that I hate, really scared about. Just not him. He can teleport anywhere without we know. He can teleport anywhere. Where do we go? Anywhere we go. He can teleport anywhere we go. Oh my gosh. It's raining. Okay, maybe not. Into different here. What? if you turn on the volume until volume like that, the noise getting a little bit, Oh my gosh, Gran. I mean, Granny. I think we have to find a key for this, guys. Actually, this is too easy. If it's too easy to me, it's easy to you guys. Comment down below if this elevator is too easy for you guys. Just like the Granny video. We walk on a bed and there's a door actually when Granny doesn't go there. Please don't die, please don't die. Did you lure her in? Okay. Actually, this is actually a little bit suffering and it's a little bit easy because when I play this guy, this is the key. See if I can go in the guy. And I try to see staring at the railway together. She keeps staring at the wall. I don't know why, but I think that's kind of thing that she wants to do. Just keep the door open. Don't you dare close the door, or else you will die. And you close the door, die. And you open the door, not die. What are you guys running about? Did someone just die? Oh no, not this again.
I'll let you know before you try to go. Now this is my own show. Not a script or flip could make me stop, so just behave. I mean there's no escape. Let's hope you make that drop, because
The tall girl just enjoying how much sex is there. Dolls are there in this shop. Dropping all the money, drop it's a money. Dropping money, drop it's a money. Dropping money, drop it's a money. Dropping some money. Ah! Oh my gosh, I just got jump scared. Did you guys just hear me sing? Just let's pretend that we don't saw that. Finally. Okay guys, I think this is enough because I promise you guys 23 it's already done. So don't forget to like and subscribe for me to escape Baldi. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Oh, and don't forget to ring the bell and don't forget to hit the button. I mean the like button, of course. Can I die? Okay. In Baldi's big zoo. Did Baldi away? I'm running away. Baldi, you can't judge me. Oh my gosh, I died. This is the first time I died in Baldi's big shows. So bye bye. Say bye bye. There's no Amazons. Oh great. Bye bye you guys. See you next week. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my sister too, Danny, of course. I'm gonna give you the description down below, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna give you the description down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my sis. Please, okay? Bye-bye.